Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start question 6 of the exercise 4B. Right? Yesterday we have discussed till question 5. Okay? So today I am going to start question 6 from question 6 to 10. Questions are a bit lengthy. You have to understand the statement what they have given. Okay? In which formula you can apply. Okay? What kind of shape it is. Right? So I am going to start question 6. Please understand the question very carefully. In the question 6, they are saying that a parallelogram, see, they have given in figure 1. In figure 1 means turn the page, 3 figures are mentioned in the book. Okay, figure 1 is a figure of this question. 3 figures are there. Okay, so figure 1 is a figure of the 6th question. A parallelogram is drawn in trapezium. In a trapezium, a parallelogram has been drawn. Okay, if the area of the parallelogram is 390 centimeters square, find the area of trapezium. Yesterday I have told you that this is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. Trapezium is having 2 sides parallel. Okay, opposite side parallel. Okay, these 2 sides are not parallel, only these 2 are parallel. Okay, now in this in a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. All the opposite sides are parallel in parallelogram. Okay, and in trapezium only these opposite sides are parallel. So here we are having this diagram. This diagram is a diagram of a trapezium. But in this trapezium, there is a parallelogram also. Can you tell me where is a parallelogram in this figure? Yuvraj Vashisht. It's a last warning. Sit properly in the class. Yes, very good Chaitanya, Avika, Swayam. Give me, where is the parallelogram? This complete A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay, this is in the shape of this. This is a parallelogram. Where is this parallelogram? Tell me, name it. Give me the name of the parallelogram. Love Dora? No? Tushika? Very good. Avika, right. Manvi, right. Simarpreet, right. Dipanshu, right. A parallelogram is there in this trapezium. Please name the parallelogram. Very good. Yes, Neerav. Hardik, yes. Manushi, yes. Very good. So I'm writing here. I'm making a circle. A, F, C, D. A, F, C, D is a parallelogram. AFCD is a parallelogram which is lie inside the trapezium. This complete is a trapezium. Okay, don't see the further lines. Right now please forget all the lines inside. Okay, just see this line only. This is trapezium. In this trapezium there is a parallelogram. AFCD is a parallelogram whose this side is parallel to this and this side is parallel to this. Okay, now let's start with the question. They are saying that in this shape area of parallelogram is given. Okay, area of this parallelogram is given to us. Base is given. Means in parallelogram, see, base of parallelogram are this and this. Always. Base of parallelogram are this and this always. So this is given. This is given. This complete is a line of trapezium. This complete is not a line of parallelogram. Okay. This complete is a side of trapezium. So I am having this DC. DC is given in the figure. So DC is the base of the parallelogram. Okay. Height. What will be the height? You have to construct one line here. D to E. Okay. D to E is the height of the trapezium as well as of the parallelogram. You have to construct a height that is DE, which is the height of parallelogram also, and that will be the height of trapezium also. Okay. Now, in this area of parallelogram, first of all, please tell me what is the area of parallelogram. Tell me the formula quickly. area of parallelogram. Everyone. Aniket, sit properly in the class. Quickly, I'm reading your messages. Very good. Manvi. Yuvraj. Very good. Rakshit. Very good. Yes. Hardik. Very good. Manvi. Correct. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Very good. Sorry, by mistake it was mentioned 4. That was of the 11. Sorry, for the 7th grade it was of 4th chapter. Okay, sorry, by mistake it was mentioned 4. That your chapter is 11. Yes, very good, Arna. Avika, very good. Love Dora, very good. Rasham, very good. Abudya, very good. Yes. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Base into height. Okay. Area of parallelogram is base into height. This is a formula of parallelogram. And trapezium formula we have discussed yesterday, that half into B1 plus B2 into H. I'll ask the formula when we'll do in the question. Okay. So area of parallelogram is given, that is 390 is equals to this is this DC. DC is the base, that is 15 centimeter. Multiply by height is not given. Height you have constructed and that is not given. So you can take height as how much? How much you will take? That is DE. Okay, height will be DE as it is. So DE will be here 390 divided by 15. Now cancel it on 15 table. Cancel on 15 table. 15 2s are and then 15 6s are. Okay, so your DE is equals to 26 centimeter. Up to here is clear? Up to here is clear? Everyone, we have taken out the height of the parallelogram. Okay, now next step is, your question is, see in the question they are saying that find the area of trapezium. Find the area of trapezium. Okay, so for the area of trapezium, what values you want? What are the requirements to find out the area of trapezium? Can you tell me? Hardik Latter. Hardik Latter, be on the seat. Yes, Tushika. Avika, yes. Very good. Yes. So we want for trapezium, I want B1 and B2. B1, B2 are the parallel sides. Okay. What is the B1 here? Who will tell me? B1. This is in this trapezium. What is the B1? What is the B2? B1 is, very good. Very good, correct. B1 is 15 centimeter. What is B2? What is B2? Very good. B2 is this side. Okay, this side 25 centimeter. Very good. And what is the height? What is the height of trapezium? Height we have taken out. Just now we have taken out height. What is height? What is height? Very good. Height is 26 centimeter. Okay. So now we have taken out B1. B1 we are having. B2 we are having. Height we are having. Now we can easily find out the area of trapezium. Right? So I'm writing here area of trapezium. Everyone, I'm reading your messages. Please tell me what is the area of trapezium. Quickly. Yesterday we have done. Love Dora, very good. Very good, yes. Quickly. What is the area of trapezium? Yes, Manvi, Hardik, very good. Hardik Latter, be on a seat. Adjust your camera quickly. Abudya, very good. Yes. You give me your answers. I'm checking your feedback. Okay, give me your answers. Yes, quickly. Mannat, very good. Jaskirat, very good. Yes. So area of trapezium is half multiplied by B1 plus B2 into height. Okay, everything we are having now. Half multiplied by B1 plus B2, 15 plus 25. Multiplied by height is 26. So half into B1 plus B2, that is 15 plus 25. How much? That is 40. Very good. Into 26. So you can cancel 2 1s are 2 3s are, or you can cancel with 40. 40 multiplied by 13, that is equals to how much we are having? That is 520. 520 centimeter square. This is the answer. Alright, this is the answer. Okay. So in this question was not given to you directly that B1, B2 given, height given, find out the area of trapezium. No, they have given that in this trapezium there is a parallelogram. So first of all, go with the area of parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This figure is a parallelogram. Right? So you have to go with this figure. Okay? In this figure, this base is given, height was not given, but area of parallelogram was given. From there we can find out the height. This is the height we have taken out. Okay? Now with this height and with this B1, B2, we can go with the formula of area of trapezium. Right? Okay? So please read out the question if any doubt is there, and please ask me. If you are having any doubt, read out quickly. Whose cameras are off, I'm giving you last warning, please switch on the camera quickly. Whose cameras are not working, because within 5 minutes I'll remove these students from the class. Quickly switch on the camera, everyone. Yuvraj, fine. Tanvi, Yuvraj, Angel, switch on the camera quickly. Konark, Anshu, let's Blossom, switch on the camera immediately. Parth, 8 Blossom, Tarmandeep, Aditya Sachdeva. Quickly. After 5 minutes, I'll see again. If the cameras again will be switched off, I'll remove these students from the grade. Now let's move to the question 7. These questions are bit lengthy, okay? Please try to understand the statement very carefully and then solve them. Okay? Now, question 7. There again you are having one figure. 1, 2, 3 figures are given in the question in the book. Okay? This second figure is this figure of the question 7. I'm making here. This is A, B, C and D, right? And this is given 7 centimeter. This complete is given 13 centimeter. And this side is given as 10 centimeter. Question is very easy, but it is bit lengthy. Okay, so please try to understand the question very, very carefully. Okay, very, very carefully. Now see, in this question, they are saying that in this figure, AB is parallel to CD, okay, and DA is perpendicular on AB, right? If DC is 7 centimeter, BC is 10 centimeter, AB is 13 centimeter. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD, they are saying find out the area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. You have to find the area of this complete figure. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you that any quadrilateral, a quadrilateral is that which is made up of 4 line segments. 4. Whether the shape is this, 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 okay, or in any way. These all are the quadrilaterals. Okay, quadrilateral is that which is made up of 4 line segment. A closed shaped figure which is made up of 4 line segments. Okay, a trapezium is a quadrilateral, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, a rectangle is a quadrilateral, a square is a quadrilateral, rhombus is a quadrilateral, kite is a quadrilateral. Okay, so you have to identify that which shape it is, which shape is given in the question. Okay, so they are saying that AB is parallel to CD in this question. AB is parallel to CD. If any one pair is parallel, what kind of shape it will be? What kind of shape it will be? If any one pair is parallel. Very good, Manvi. Chaitanya, Hardik, very good. I told that if any one pair is parallel, that shape will be a trapezium. That shape will be a trapezium. Okay, it is not necessary that the trapezium should be in this way. These two sides should be parallel. Okay, these two sides will be in any way. Okay, whether this is in this way, okay, whether this is in this way, doesn't matter. We only want these two sides should be parallel. Okay, so in this shape, it is again a trapezium, right? So please identify the figure first of all. Okay, because they have mentioned this thing, AB parallel to CD. So it means this shape is a trapezium, because trapezium is having one opposite pair in a parallel way, right? Okay, so let's start with the question. Now I'll ask you the formulas one by one. So first of all, what is given in this question? This is given, okay, CD is given, AB is given. These we can take as B1, B2 for the trapezium. Okay, but we are not having height of the trapezium. In the formula of trapezium, we want height. Height is not given in the question. Okay, so this is given. So can we assume this triangle? Can we assume this triangle? In triangle CEB. In triangle CEB, can I apply some property? Manvi, very good. Can I apply some property in this triangle CEB so that I can take out the height? Yes. So first of all, what do you want in this triangle? If I'll apply here by Pythagoras theorem, for Pythagoras theorem, you want hypotenuse, okay, you want perpendicular, you want base. Okay, this will be your hypotenuse, this will be your perpendicular, and base is this EB. EB is the base, and EB is not given. But this CD is given. From this AB, subtract CD, you will get AB. Are you getting? Please understand carefully. From this complete AB, subtract this CD, okay, you will get EB. Okay, so I am subtracting AB, this complete AB minus CD. It is how much? 13 minus 7, how much it will be? Yes, 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter. This is what? This is, I am having EB. This will be my EB. So how I can take out the EB? From this complete AB, I will subtract CD, I will get the EB. Okay, so EB is the 6 centimeter. Okay, now I can go with the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now one by one, please quickly tell me, what is the hypotenuse in this triangle? Very good, very good. Yes, everyone correct. Hypotenuse is how much? Very good. This is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, this is the base. Okay, so it is 10 whole square. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is the height. How much is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is how much? Not given. Very good. Perpendicular is not given. That is the height. This is not given. What is the base? What is the base? Just now we have taken out. What is the base? Very good. Yes, I am reading your messages. Very good. Absolutely correct. That is the 6 centimeter. Okay, just now we have taken out. Now 10 square is 100. equal to perpendicular square, okay, and plus 6 square is 36. 100 minus 36 is equals to perpendicular square. 100 minus 36, that is how much? How much? 64. Very good. 64 is equals to perpendicular square. Remove the square from perpendicular, it will be square root of 64. Okay, 64 is the square root of 8. Okay, 8 8 is 64. Saksham 8 Florence. But you can leave the class. Okay, or you can go and you can wash the face. 64, under root of 64 is how much? 8 centimeter. So the height of this trapezium we have taken out, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, now we can go with the formula of area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, because they are saying that square root will come. Whenever you will remove the square from the perpendicular, it will be square root of 64. 64 is the square root of which number? It is 8. So square root will be removed. Okay, you don't know this concept? Whenever you are taking out the square root of any number, square root will be removed and the answer will be there. The value will be there. Okay? Okay, Hardik. Some students are not knowing this concept. Whenever we are taking out the square root, 64. Suppose I am having 25 square root. 25 is a square of which number? It's a square of 5. Okay, so answer will be only 5. Square root will be removed automatically. Answer will be only 5. Okay, Avika, got it? Okay, now for the area of trapezium, we are having B1. B1 is 7 centimeter. I am having B2. B2 is complete 13 centimeter. I am having height also. Height, just now we have taken out 8 centimeter. So I am having all the things. Okay, B1 I am having, B2 I am having, height I am having. So can I apply in the formula of area of trapezium? Okay. The question is find out the area of quadrilateral. So you can say that this quadrilateral is a trapezium. Okay, so you can say that this quadrilateral is a trapezium because these two sides are parallel. Okay, so you can say that AB parallel to CD. So therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, so area of trapezium is equals to, tell me quickly. Now we have done more than 20 times this formula. Very good. 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 plus B2 multiplied by height. Okay, 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 B2. B1 is 7, B2 is 13 and height is 8. Right, so now 1 by 2, 7 plus 13, 20 multiplied by 8. Okay, cancel 8 here, solve it. You can cancel 2 with 20 or 2 with 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8 and 4 into 20, 4 into 20 how much? That is 80. So you have taken out the area. So your units will be 80 centimeter square. 80 centimeter square. Okay, this is your answer. Right? Yes. So now your next question is question 8. Very easy. Okay, take out your notebook quickly. Take out your notebook with you, practice notebook. I am going to unmute some students from the class. Okay, I'll ask from some students what is given in 8th question, how we can find out which formula we can apply. It is absolutely easy. Okay, quickly. Chaitanya, when I was taking class, when I was taking lecture, I was not having time that time. Please, you can call me after the class. Whatever doubts you are having. Yes, quickly solve this question. Naman, you are of which grade? Your grade is not mentioned, section is not mentioned. I'm going to remove you from the class. Nikansh, video is not working. Purva, video is not working. Tarmandeep, Yudhvir. I'll not repeat the instructions again. Konark, Krishna. Konark, you can enjoy at home. I'm going to remove you from the class. Just now I have removed 6 students. Divyansh. Last warning. Just wait, Chaitanya. Let me read. Chaitanya, ask your question once again. Yes, quickly. Have you read this question? Question 8. Have you read, everyone? What is given in the question? What we can take out? Let me unmute some student. Okay. So be ready. Chaitanya, you can do that also. Okay. You can take out that, you can add those areas and you can take out the answer. Okay. Okay. Now let me unmute Nirav. Nirav, please unmute yourself quickly.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Nirav, in this question, question 8, a field is given. Okay, this is a field. This is in which shape? The field is given in which shape?
Trapezium.
Trapezium. Okay, they are saying that its parallel sides are 40 meter and 83 meter. What does this mean?
B1 and B2 are given.
Very good. B1 and B2 are given. How much B1 is given?
B1 is 40 meter and B2 is 83 meter.
83 meter. Okay, right. After that, they're saying that distance between them, distance between these two parallel sides are given. What is this?
Height.
Height of the trapezium. How much it is given?
38 meter.
38 meter. What we have to take out? What we have to find out?
Cost of flowing.
First, cost of flowing we have to find out, but before finding out the cost, what we have to find out?
Area.
Area of trapezium. Speak properly. I don't know what area of which figure. Area of trapezium. Okay, speak properly. What is the formula of area of trapezium? Quickly.
1 by 2
Yes.
in small bracket
Yes.
B1
Yes.
plus B2
Yes.
bracket close
Yes.
into H.
Multiply by height. Very good. Very good. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So in this question, question 8. Okay, what are the things which has given to us? Mannat, sit properly in the class. Next turn will be yours. Now 1 by 2 into B1 plus B2 into H. Okay, half multiplied by B1 B2 is given 40 plus 83 multiplied by 38. Okay, 1 by 2 multiplied by 123 multiplied by 38. You can cancel on 2 table, 2 ones are and 2 19s are. So 19 multiplied by 123. What will be the answer? 2337. Yes, very good. 2337 meter square. This is the area we have taken out. Okay. you have to find out cost of plowing the field. Cost of plowing the field. Okay. So the cost is given rupees 2 per meter. Whatever the answer you have taken out, whatsoever the area you have taken out, just multiply with how much is the cost. That is 10. Cost is 10 rupees per meter square. Okay. So you have to multiply your area with rupees 10. That's it. Okay. Question is very easy. B1 given, B2 given, height given. Find out the area of trapezium. Whenever you will get the area of trapezium, just multiply with rupees 10. That will be the cost of plowing. Okay. So 23370 rupees, not meter square. Cost is always coming in rupees. Okay. Your cost will be there in rupees always. So this is the answer. Any doubt is there? Manvi, cost is rupees 10. Okay. Any doubt is there? Very good, Avika. Hardik, fine. Yes, fine. Okay. Now please mark question 9 for the homework. Quickly. Question 9 you have to mark for the homework. Quickly. I'm going to give you hint of question 10th. Okay. Only I'm giving you 1 or 2 questions for the homework. So mark these questions quickly. If you have skipped any step, okay, while I'm teaching in the class, if you have missed any step, please go through with the video once again. Okay? You will be able to know the concept. If the concept will not be clear, you will face problem. Question 10th. Last question is, the area of trapezium is given. Area of trapezium is given. Right? How much is given? That is 0.05 meter square. Okay. Height of trapezium is given. Height is given 20 centimeter. One of the parallel side is longer than the other by 8 centimeter. Okay. One of the parallel side is 8 centimeter longer than the other side. Let's suppose, let first parallel side, that is B1, is x centimeter and B2 is 8 centimeter longer. That is x plus 8 centimeter. Any doubt is there? Any doubt is there? Right? They are saying that height is given. They are saying that one parallel side is 8 centimeter longer than the other. So let's suppose the first parallel side is x and the other parallel side is x plus 8. Right? After that, you can see that everything is given in centimeter, but area is given in meter square, meter. So convert this meter into the centimeter first of all. Okay. So how we can convert? 0.05 I have to multiply. If I am going to convert in centimeter, I have to multiply with what? Quickly. Now. So see, if you have to convert meter into centimeter, you have to multiply with 100. Okay, got it? If you have to convert meter square into centimeter, you have to multiply with 100 square. Got it? Got the concept? Okay. If you have to multiply meter, if you have to convert meter into centimeter, only multiply with 100. If you have to convert meter square into centimeter, then multiply with 100 square. 100 square is 100 into 100. 100 into 100. Okay. Now, I am going to remove the decimal of this. It will be 5 upon 100. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. This 100 will get cancelled. Okay. So, area is 5 into 100. 500 centimeter square. That's it. Okay. Everyone got this thing? Alright. Jasmine. Lakshita. Manushi. Clear. Okay. Right. So now height is given. B1, B2 we have written in the form of x, and area we have taken out in centimeter square. Just implement in the formula of area of trapezium. All the things. Area of trapezium, that is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 plus B2 into height. Okay. Area is 500 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 is x, B2 is x plus 8. Okay, multiply by height is how much? 20. Okay, so it is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by x plus x. How much? X plus x will be x square or 2x. Some students are doing this mistake. Always x plus x will be x square or 2x. No, Manik, Avika, Abudya, right? X plus x is 2x plus 8. Okay, multiply by 20. And here is you are having 500. 2 you can cancel with 10. Okay, so what is left? 500. This 10 will go in the denominator, is equals to 2x plus 8 is left. 10, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Okay, 50 is equals to 2x plus 8. 50 minus 8 is equals to 2x. 42 is equals to 2x. So x is equals to 42 upon 2. That is equals to 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So x is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay. Now x is 21 and B2 will be how much? 21 plus 8. That will be 29. Okay. So in this way you will get both the parallel sides. Because the question was you have to find the length of the parallel sides. Okay. Length of parallel sides are how much? B1 is, I'm writing here, B1 is equals to 21 centimeter and B2 is equals to 21 plus 8, that is 29 centimeter. These two are the answers. Any doubt, everyone? Okay, so now I have completely solved this 10th question. Your homework is question 9th. Okay, the way whenever you are reading the statement of question 9, try to understand what they have given. Okay, step by step go with the question. Alright, bye bye and take care all of you.